up, y'all? Truckers Life here. Cowboys Nation, baby. How about them she-gals lost? But hey, don't mind the mess. I just moved into a new truck. If you can't tell, it's a whole different setup. I'm just moved into it yesterday, so we're gonna get this rolling. Sorry, got my cherry vanilla Coke Zero. My favorite soda now. But hey, let's get it going. We got a half a pound. Oh, of course, got to turn this on. Turn the skillet on to 350. Got a half a pound of ground sausage and a half a pound of ground Angus beef. That goes in. We're gonna season it with some garlic. Good amount of garlic. Yeah, gotta have some garlic there. Got some salt. Sea salt, of course, not iodized, of course, ground coarse sea salt. Got some white pepper. Oh, that always does that. We got some Italian seasoning. We'll be back. Okay, we're gonna put some red onions in. And some more garlic salt. Some more Italian seasoning. Sorry, let me pause this. Sorry, y'all. I haven't been able to put my TV mount up, so my TV just kind of sitting over here, right here. Then we're gonna put the salt. There it is. Just a little bit more salt. Mix it around. Okay, we're gonna put some mushrooms in. There we go. Chop them up like this. See? I've never used one of these, but I'm in love with it. I might not ever not use one now. Whoa, caught it. I'm catching a lot of stuff. Alright, y'all. Now, see, we got the diced tomatoes going in. And we got a can of tomato sauce. And we're going to open up another one and put another. Alright, we got the tomato sauce in. We're gonna mix it around. I want to chop up the tomatoes a little bit more. I don't want big chunks of tomatoes. We might need another can. Yeah, I'm gonna use another can of tomato sauce. And then I'm gonna put some water in. See how it's coming out? We're gonna let this simmer for a while. I'm gonna leave it uncovered. But first, we're using pre-cooked pasta, you know, the ready pasta, the penne pasta. But I'm gonna let this incorporate a lot of flavor. I'm gonna put this on low before I put the sauce in, put the lid on it so it don't evaporate too much. And we'll be back. Okay, we forgot the filter. I'll put that in and let that cook in and evaporate. If y'all could smell it right now, y'all would be jealous. You have to get this to 300 degrees. You know. Warm in. Not one, but two. Yeah, they don't look very appetizing now, but just wait. Or should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do a third one. I guess I'm gonna be eating for a few days on this. I made too much sauce. You know what? Let's wait. We'll just mix it around. See? Yeah, that's perfect amount. I don't need to add no more. And no, I'm not doing a taste test with this. This is my first time ever making it. Well, most things I make on this channel I've never made before, I ain't gonna lie. I just kind of winged it, you know what I mean? We're gonna let this is down to 200, so we're gonna let the pasta absorb all that flavor for about 20 minutes. And then we'll top it off and be done. What y'all think so far? Leave a comment. Let me know if you watched it to this point. We're at 9:22. Okay, y'all. We're gonna put some cheese on it. We got the jalapeno habanero jack. We got a lot of cheese we're gonna put on here. Okay. So don't hate me because I like my food cheesy, y'all. We got some provolone. We got this last piece of provolone. And then we got some mozzarella. Mozzarella is my favorite cheese, other than pepper jack. I'm gonna get some more mozzarella and provolone and put on top to fill in the spaces. Okay, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of habanero dust on top.
This year's top prize goes to Pico. I'm just in it for the saving, but it's nice to be recognized.
There we go.
For 25,000.
And then we're gonna take some parsley flakes and sprinkle that on there too.
It's legal. It also ships your order quickly and discreetly. So if you want people to know you're buying, you'll have to tell them, hey, I just got my delivery from Miss. Sweet Mrs. H, me too. Hey, want to come over later?
There we go. And I'm gonna let this melt down and plate up. We back. This is the plate. This is what it looks like. I thought I was recording when I was plating it, But let me show y'all. This motherfucker is cheesy. Yeah, that's dinner. So I'm gone. I'm about to eat my dinner and go to bed.